take a tree. Hi everyone, it's Mel from the 441 Feng Shui, and in this video I'm going to show you guys quickly how to make a manifestation oil. So either you're watching this video because you attended my recent workshop at Yoga on the Farm for Powerful Beginnings for 2025, or because you want to make a manifestation oil. So I spoke last week about the manifestation oil that I use. This is my original batch 1, but for today's video I'm going to make a quick oil, and that way if you do attend a workshop or if you do want to make your own oil, this is how you do it. As always, the most important thing is the intention you put into what it is you're wanting to work with, your tool, because your tool is only as strong as the energy that you put into it. So to start with, I'm going to take some incense. Sorry, I'm getting over a head cold, so if I'm a bit all over the place, I apologise. And I've got kids at home because it's school holidays, so I'm just trying to get this one done for you guys. So I'm going to light my Palo Santo and my sage combined. It's the first one I grabbed. I'll work with any of them, but this one is particularly good because when you work with white sage, it removes all the negative energy, but without using something else to bring in positive energy, you're creating a void. So that void could quite easily be filled with negative energy again if you're not careful. So just light this bad boy. So this is us cleansing our area, cleansing the space to make sure that it's good vibes only. You want to cleanse yourself. Incense sticks are so much less messy than working with like sage or whatever, especially if it's a quick thing. So you're going to take your bottle and you're just going to pop, and I'll see if you guys can see that, but actually, can you see that? It fills up with smoke. It's quite cool. You can see the smoke in there? I think it's cool anyway. So I'm just going to put this on a little incense burner behind the camera. Then I like to work with bay leaves. Bay leaves are great for manifestation and protection. And at the bottom of this, I've actually got loads of new bay leaves in here because I just chopped it up a couple of weeks ago. But at the bottom, I've got all the little bits. So you can take one leaf and crumple it, but I go through a lot of bay leaves. So I've just got some broken bits here. On the workshop, if you come to the workshop, it'll be big bay leaves that you can crumple yourself. So I'm just literally stuffing those in there. If you can see that, like up until about there. Now, if you want to be extra, you can also work with crystals. You don't have to. I've already chose my word for next year, and it's power and it's energy. So when you do the workshop, we will be talking about word of the year and word of the year theme. So this oil that you will make will be to go with your word of the year. So my word is power. What is power? Power is energy. Who holds the energy? Who holds the power? Is the power leaking away? All that sort of stuff. Reclaiming my own power and trying not to take somebody else's power. So for that reason, in my oil, I'm choosing to work with Citrine, because that is a solar plexus crystal, because solar plexus is your power center. And I've just got another couple here, so I'm just putting 3 little chips in. Normally I would pre-cleanse all this as well, but there's smoke in here, so that's doing that. I'm just going to open this window because there's too much smoke in the room. So got all that in. You can't grab everything and put intention into them, or you can do it all at the end. Now what's really handy is a little funnel, just like that, and you're going to fill it. I'm just using regular old olive oil. This is from a local supplier called The Natural Circle, because you don't have to make it fancy. Like let's keep it simple, stupid. And olive oil as well is great for abundance and purity, I think. I'm writing all my notes down because I'm getting the booklet ready. Infuse and amplify. Olive oil, yeah. Infuse and amplify. So, just gonna top that up. Do it slowly. I need to top up my olive oil because I have the bigger bottle. You don't need much. Like, I think it's about 10 ml in total, these containers. Just going to do a touch more. So I'm going to leave some space at the top. Again, because I have chosen energy and power, zing. This time I'm going to go with peppermint. Lemon would also be great for this one. And in this size, so in 10 ml, you use 5 drops. But I don't know if it's because the head cold. And peppermint clears the head. But for today, I want to work with peppermint. So 5 drops. One second, I have a child in the background. Sorry guys, got interrupted by a kid wanting to see where we're travelling next year. He just brought in a globe to spin it. So, I added in 5 drops. Let me just get my Gypsy Loom throat chakra spray. Try and clear this up and help me speak better. I added in 5 drops of peppermint. Then I'm just going to put the lid on. And that. So, give it a little shake. Now, I have done Reiki, but even if you haven't done Reiki, you can warm up your hands to create energy. And then I want you to think about your words. So for me, it's power and it's energy. And what I want this oil to help me with next year, and you can feel your hands tingling. And just think about that and visualize that for a moment. I'm going to do this properly off camera, but this is just a demonstration. Because yeah, I don't really like recording my full energy into more personal things like this. But this is what it will look like. And when you feel like you have done what you need to do to your oil, then it is ready to use. If you like, you can let it sit there and infuse for a couple of days. You can pop it out under the moon and charge it. The new moon for new beginnings, the full moon to help amplify. And when you're ready, then you can just roll it wherever you want. I usually do a chakra ray, which is a Reiki symbol. If you've got a headache and you need some mental clarity, because mine has peppermint, I can put it there. But that is your manifestation oil. I'll see if I can work on some little labels as well before the workshop. And that's what it looks like. So, if you wanted to top up the one that you have made at the workshop, that would be how you do it. And that's today's video. So I hope this helped somebody. If you were at the workshop, please let me know in the comments what you thought or what your oil has manifested for you so far. If you're doing it for abundance and prosperity, it's still good to work with peppermint and citrine because they are also for abundance and prosperity. You could also work with cinnamon. You can work with lemons. You could work with green crystals. if it's more like feeling more secure and all of that, red crystals are great. Black crystals, protection. And what sort of oil is good for more grounding, kind of like sandalwood, and stuff like that. So my throat is still starting to go, so I'm going to wrap this up. So that is a quick video on how to make the famous manifestation oil that I can't believe I've been using for over 6 years now. Let me know in the comments if you make this one, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya!